Hello, hello, Alexis here, crafter behind Persialoo, and I'm back today with my friend Colleen from Lemon Thistle for another one of our Silhouette versus Cricut challenges. And today we are going to be talking all about how to sketch or draw with your electric cutting machine. Colleen's over there on Team Cricut and she's going to show you how to draw with the Cricut machine, and I'm on Team Silhouette and I'm going to show you how to sketch with your Silhouette. It's a really cool feature and one that I think people don't use as much as they could. I love sketching. You can create awesome artwork. It looks hand-drawn. Everyone's gonna be like, wow, did you draw that? That's amazing. And your secret is safe with me, okay? I've got my Cameo 3 and my Cameo 4 here because there is a little bit of a difference in the instructions for doing both, and I'll show you how. Yeah, so that's it. Should we get crafting?
You can use the Silhouette sketch feature with any kind of SVG cut file design. However, it will just draw around the outside of the design in the same place that it would cut if it was cutting. So another option is to use designs that are specifically made to be used with the sketch feature. These are called sketch designs or single line designs, and I'm going to show you a couple places where you can find them. The first one is in the Silhouette Design Store. To find sketch designs in the design store, just click on the search bar and type in sketch, and it will give you a whole bunch of designs that are really cute that will work perfectly with sketching. So Fontsy is another great option for finding sketch design. I'll put a link in the description so you can click over and check out So Fontsy's sketch/single line design. Okay, so I have my sketch designs picked out. I have them in my Silhouette Studio software, and now I'm going to show you how I like to do a sketch and cut. So I'm going to draw a design and then cut around it really easily. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to change the color of the line around my design where I'm going to cut. So to do that, I'm going to click on that line, and you may have to group or ungroup your design in order to separate out just that one line. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to change it to a different color. I'm just going to do blue. And I'm going to do that for each of the designs that I'm sketching and cutting right now. And then click on the Send panel, and I'm going to go to Action or Cut by Line. Click on that Line tab. Then you'll see I've got 3 different colors here because I have 3 different colors of lines. I have 2 different reds. I could go back and change the other red, but I'm just going to leave the 2 reds. And I'm going to change the action on my 2 red colors to sketch because those are my sketch lines. And I'm going to uncheck the blue lines because those are my cut lines, and I'm not going to cut right now. I'm just going to sketch. If you're working with a Cameo 3 or an earlier Silhouette, you can stick a sketch pen directly into the tool holder. If you're working with a Cameo 4 like I am, you're going to first need to use the adapter. Place the sketch pen in the adapter, click it shut, and then place it into the Cameo and lock it in place. When your sketch pen is in your machine, just click Send in your software to start sketching. When your machine is done sketching, it's time to switch to cutting. Simply change the tool from your sketch pen to your cutting blade. Then back in the software, uncheck the red sketch lines and check the blue cut line. Adjust any cut settings if necessary, and then send it to your machine to cut. In addition to the Silhouette sketch pens, you can use almost any pen or drawing tool in your Silhouette machine using the Silhouette pen adapter. The pen adapter comes with 3 different size collars to fit lots of different writing tools. Choose the one that fits your pen, slide it onto the pen, and then screw that into the pen adapter tool. The pen adapter tool can go directly into a Cameo 3 or earlier machine. To use the pen adapter tool with the Cameo 4, you will need the blue adapter. Just like with the sketch pen, click it on and load it into your machine. To create a simple but beautiful piece of watercolor sketch art, I used a permanent fine tip marker in my Silhouette to sketch a tiger design I found in the Silhouette Design Store, and then finally added a colorful watercolor wash over it.